So let's move on to AI and automation in data transformation. So with the healthcare generating large amount of data sets at an unprecedented pace, so the need to process and act on the data quickly is crucial. So this is where AI technologies like NLP, Gen AI, conversation AI, and also RPA comes in. So there is no longer these are no longer theoretical tools, right? So these are very mature now. There are a lot of platforms and products available in the market that are really solving real operational problems and enabling data teams to do more with the less, right? So that's a mantra of AI, right? To do more with the less. So Eva, from your perspective, how is AI helping solve these problems? So where you see most value with NLP, machine learning, and RPA?
Yeah, great question. So I think, first of all, for those of you who are listening, AI is here to stay. So we all have to think about it. How do we apply it? And the most common question that anyone is asking right now at many of the organizations, whether it's health systems, whether it's research organizations or any other vendors and supporters of the industry, it's what is the use case? Where do I apply it? And what can I gain? So the first thing that I want to mention is thinking about from the data perspective is how can you leverage, how can you identify processes that you are currently doing that are on a repetitive aspect and try to automate them, because it's your biggest expense are your engineers, is your human capital. So if we can evolve the way we are identifying the opportunities for repeatable tasks to be offloaded, and it can be simply as SQC, can be data curation, can be some kind of data ingestion processes or data review, that would definitely help with speed, with ability for us to actually spend the time understanding how to bring all of the data sets together and then ultimately deriving the insights. But more importantly, I think with AI, we are seeing a lot of application to multiple places. First of all, it's how do you derive insights from unstructured nodes? So this is where NLP or any of the large language models, you mentioned that there's so many different vendors right now, and they are every day more and more are showing up with different types of agents, AI agents that can help with leveraging or their best models to apply on the data and derive the insights. So this is not something that